Hey folks, I'm going to show you what you get in the 5 tool piece combo set, brushless, OnePlus Ryobi HP, but I'm also going to show you a quick, literally will take you 30 seconds to save 20 bucks extra on this set on HomeDepot.com. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Let's show you how to purchase this $20 cheaper, and then we'll come back and see what's inside the set. All right, so we're on Home Depot's website right now, as you can see, and this is the hack here. So obviously you just type in your search bar, Ryobi Brushless combo. You'll see the different combos coming up. This is the one I have right here. As you see it right here, we got the 5-piece tool, 2 batteries, and the charger. You're gonna see it for $219, save $339, limit 3 per order. There is free delivery. There's a little bit of tax, but there is free delivery. So right off the bat, no matter where you live, right now we have it to Santa Fe, which is Denver, Colorado. I don't live in Denver, but close to Denver. But let me show you a little hack here. For some oddball reason, only selective Home Depot stores give you $19, actually $20 off. So let's go ahead and come up here. You're shopping Santa Fe, which is Denver once again. You're gonna drop this little menu down like so here. You're gonna find other stores. You're gonna click on find other stores, and you're gonna type in either Newhall, California, or 1055, which is the store in Newhall, California, Santa Clara. They call it the Newhall location, Newhall 1055. For some reason, this store gives you like the best deals. So let's go ahead and select this store. So because we're shipping this to our house for free, it doesn't matter what store you choose. Now look at the combo. It's gone down to $199 for the same brushless 5 tool piece right here. And this is the brand new Ryobi OnePlus HP brushless. Same exact thing we just looked at, but 20 bucks cheaper by doing one little simple store hack right there. Order it as normal, ship it to your house. So I literally ordered it from California, shipped it to my Colorado address for free, a little bit of tax on $199, limit 3 per customer, bada bing, bada boom. Now, let's show you what's inside. Okay, it is time to see what's inside the set. The box isn't too big. I mean, here's my hand here. One thing Ryobi does is they put a lot of stuff into a small box. A couple other tools I have by them is a brad nailer, and in all honesty, I picked up the brad nailer used, and I'm having issues with it. I'll get into that in a separate video, but I do have the small bike tire, car tire air compressor, and I love that. So, first and foremost, inside of that box, we now have this carrying case here, which they have tied up with a string. Not exactly sure why. We're gonna go ahead and snip that string, and let's see what we got here. So, we're gonna take these out one at a time here. Again, this is a brand new set. This is not refurbished. Instruction manuals look a little bit wrinkled, but most of us don't really care about that. That's the, looks like all the instruction manuals for all charger, circular saw, drills, operating manuals, warranty information. And then we have another blade right there hanging out in the manual portion. They always send you one of these in there as well. All right, so let's take a look briefly here. This is gonna be for your multi-tool, a straight edge cutter, a round cutter with teeth, a triangle pad with 3 different types of sandpaper, 60, 80, and 120 with your triangle pad there for your multi-tool. The reason I even bought this was, number one, for brushless, this is a great deal, okay? Now, we have little boxes in there to keep it protected. Let's get you a shot of this. This is what the packaging looks like. So it's cardboarded off. A couple things are in plastic. The drills and impact are just kind of hanging out in there. There was that cardboard piece right here for a little bit of protection if you are wondering. All right, here's the flashlight. That is LED if you are wondering. Very small, compact. Battery goes in there. On and off button right there. It can go all the way past straight up, all the way down. Cool. You'll probably use that eventually sometime. And what I was saying was the reason I went with this set for brushless, $199 plus tax for brushless is awesome. I was tired of getting out extension cables, cords for my Sawzall. I'm doing a full remodel, and I was like, you know what? It's a couple $100 for the time and energy I'm breaking these tools because they're older. I wanted new, I wanted battery powered, so I jumped on it. Okay, now they make a couple different brushless Sawzalls. This is one of their models, and this is the particular one that comes in the kit. They also have a non-brushless one, which has like gray down here, and then a little bit longer, wider one that is brushless also. This is a little bit more of a compact, I guess you could say, Sawzall, but does the trick, and it is brushless once again. And we have at least one blade. Let's look at the rest. Okay, I don't see any other blades, so just keep that in mind that you only get one blade with this. And I know I keep calling it a Sawzall, but this is a reciprocating saw. Sawzall is just probably a name brand. And I'm not seeing anything in the instruction manual, but my guess is this is probably a combo wood and metal reciprocating saw blade. All right, quickly, next up, once again, you have two of these. They are 18 volt, 1.5 amp batteries, and these are the 1 Plus with battery indicator lights on the front, which these need to be charged. Doesn't look like they came charged at all. Both of them look like they are almost dead. What's nice about this is if you already have your old Ryobi lithium-ion battery chargers, these will obviously be able to charge with the same charger. You don't need a new charger, but this also does come with a charger as well. And with that said, this is actually a better charger than I believe the photos online actually have. I have the same charger already I purchased a while ago. This will actually charge your NICD batteries, your lithium 18 volt and your lithium plus 18 volt battery. This is the Intelligent Port Ryobi charger. I think I paid like 30 bucks when I bought mine a while ago, so now I have two of these, which is awesome. This, I believe, is not the one pictured online, so this is definitely a nice upgrade that I was not expecting. Batteries click in, as you just heard right there, and you'll get flashing. This will actually tell you if the battery's good or not, defective, etc. It's a really nice charger. I was expecting the little just square green one with a plug. The multi-tool here. Now this multi-tool, obviously to get inside right there, boom, 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 lock down what you need to lock down. You have variable speed, 1 to 6 down here. Battery inserts right here. Now something I'm not seeing anywhere so far is no clips, which is kind of a bummer because those belt clips come in super handy, and I wish they would at least give you one, but they do have threaded holes on the tools for belt clips. I found when I started using belt clip hooks, super, super handy. Okay, again, everything is brushless, obviously, except for the flashlight because there's no motor in there. This brushless one has a flip-up switch like this here, and then your speed control on the bottom here. Let's just do it right here. So there you go, it's on, and that's level 6, and then off right there. So this turns it on, this turns it off. One thing I think people were complaining about that some people actually like, oh, and there's a light right there as well, that's really cool. Some people actually were complaining that the brushless one, they preferred the brush motor one because I think it had like a push trigger or something like that. So instead of a flip button, it was like you press in a trigger for it to go, not go. Anyway, regardless, battery powered, I get rid of my cord, I'm a happy camper. Now before we get to the next thing, now this is why most people buy brushless. More power, longer runtime, longer motor life. The multi-tool powers up to 30% faster cutting. The 1/4-inch impact driver is 26% more compact than a non-brushless. The compact series drill, 1/2-inch drill driver, is 30% more compact. The reciprocating saw, and that's why it's a little bit different looking because it's meant to be a one-handed reciprocating saw is what they're calling it. That powers up to 100 cuts per charge, and the LED light is 280 lumens if you're wondering, and all this has a 3-year limited warranty. So that leaves me to the 1/4-inch driver right here, again 1/4-inch. Got your forward, reverse buttons right here. Pull trigger right here, once again 1/4-inch. Logos on the side, battery clips in, just like this here. This has a light right here. And quickly back to the reciprocating saw, this is a safety trigger. You gotta push that button in, then that goes. And there is also an LED light here as well. Just for kicks and giggles, we're also gonna go back for the LED light right here. Again, 280 lumens. Looks like there's only one mode with a push of a button there. But what's nice is you can set it like this for your plumbing jobs. You don't have to wear a headlamp. That's pretty cool. I'll probably definitely use that more than I anticipate. And lastly, the 1/2-inch drill driver here. That is really nice. That is super compact, a beautiful looking drill, light in my hand. Obviously the battery pack, depends what kind of battery pack, is gonna add more weight. Forward, reverse buttons is normal, trigger like you're used to, belt clip right down there that you have to screw into, light right here, LED light, quick release chuck, 1/2 inch once again. We have speeds 1, 2, all the way around, 23, and we have modes 1 and modes 2 right there. Ventilation right here. That feels great in my hand. Absolutely worth $200 for these tools, I'll tell you what. We'll look at that light right there, as you can see. Nice and quiet, the tools. And lastly, the bag has a little divider here, which has like a little bit of Velcro on the edge right there. Stash your tools inside, zip it up. Little Ryobi logo right there, which is pretty cool. Now I am somewhat familiar. I have gone into Home Depot and checked out these tools before. My dad also got this driver and drill set, I think like 6 months ago, for like $150. So for $50 more, I get an extra battery, a better upgraded charger, 5 tools total. 3 more tools than he did. So I know I keep mentioning it, but for $199 plus tax, this to me is kind of a no-brainer. Now, some people might have some of these tools already, so they might not need the full set. They do offer other sets as well, but do the hack, like I showed you with the store change. And for me, it's all about convenience, right? So I just found myself in the middle of my bathroom remodel. I can't find my extension cord. When you're in a full remodel, you definitely can understand what I'm talking about, because just shop vacs in one room, drywalls in another, tools are scattered everywhere. Unless you're cleaning up with perfection after every single day working. These are easy to spot with the color schemes. I'm a happy customer. I'll leave some of those links in the top link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. If you wouldn't mind, hit that thumbs up button on your way out if it has helped you save money and taken a little closer look at the brushless tools. I will be giving you an updated video after my bathroom and kitchen remodel. Not to mention, check out the channel. I've already done my master bedroom. We're about halfway through my bathroom right now. We're going to be doing a theater room, kitchen, mud room, office build. I got a lot of projects already up on the channel. We're going to be doing a 2,400 square foot shop. We got a car lift in there. We're going to make a full gym. It's going to be pretty sweet, so make sure you're subscribed to that. Check out your links below. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.